It's a good day today. 2 reasons. One, we had a long run, and we just got a package from the feed. I already opened it up, but let's dive into this together. First things first, I'm really excited because my Sponsored by the Feed bottle is in here. Has my name on it. I think this is really cool, and I love the bottles from the feed. And now let's get into the fun stuff. Some of the nutritional things that I want to try, I want to start to implement in my training for this ultra. First things first, I want to start playing around with more like carbs in terms of like liquid form, so things that are actually in my bottle. And so we got Tailwind, we got high carb Tailwind, we have lemonade, and we have ginger lime. I went with these 2 flavors because, as many of you know, I love the BPN Going More Endurance Plus. I think it's called like the Sport Plus. It's the BPN Going More that has caffeine, it has carbs in it, it has electrolytes, and I love it. I've been just training with it, and so I wanted to get some high carb Tailwind that kind of like goes well with that flavor. It's lemon lime. And I thought the lemonade and this would go just really well with it. 90 grams of carbs in 1 pouch. So I'm really excited to try this on some of my runs, just as another kind of like fuel source. Next thing is Unusual Fuel from Santa Madre. Hopefully I'm saying that right because that's how I've been pronouncing it. There's 106 grams of carbs in here, and this is lemon flavored. This also has caffeine in it. I love their chews, so I'm super stoked to try the powder. I've never tried it from them, and I'm really excited about that. Okay, next. This is Spring Energy, and this is 310 calories. So it's got oats, pineapple, dates in it, 17 grams of fat, 39 grams of carbs, 6 grams of protein. This I'm probably going to be implementing into my training, just so I'm not taking a bunch of like sports food or like science food, but that I'm actually getting like real food in. I am really excited to try these. I have not tried these before. I got the oat pineapple flavor, because I'm a sucker for pineapple. Next, we are gonna try, I think this is called NAC, Ultra Energy Puree. This is 200 calories, and this is literally apple and maple syrup. So it's literally just like apple, maple syrup, a little bit of pea protein, some other things in it. But we're looking at, in this, 26 grams of carbs, 8.9 grams of fat, and 5 grams of protein. Again, more of like a real food source instead of like a sports food source. And then the last thing we got is this tissue rejuvenator. Really into like things that can help with our recovery. I'm not into taking things like Advil and anti-inflammatories because I don't necessarily want like massive pain in my body. And I want my body to do its like own natural kind of anti-inflammatory process. But I am into things that maybe are a little bit more like natural based, that have just different things in it that's going to help me with recovery. So saw some really good reviews on this when it came to the feed, and I'm super stoked to give this a shot. It's got some collagen in it, black pepper extract, turmeric. It also has an enzyme blend that is going to help with recovery. So I'm excited to implement this in when the miles really start stacking up, seeing if I can recover faster. That's my haul from the feed. Happy running, y'all.